Loosen the 4 screws. Remove the plate. Insert the disc. Replace the plate, making sure each screw is fully seated into each slot. Use one of the torque drivers included with the mill to tighten the plate in a cross pattern. The table at the end of the video shows you which torque driver to use for each material type. Here I'm using the black 0.3 Nm torque driver with a zirconia disc. Open the adapter area cover. Gently insert the adapter into an open slot. Make sure the blue light comes on. Close the adapter area cover.